Come on, boys. Donnie, you on the piano. Buffalo, you on the bass. Reese, you're on the tabletop. Still a hell of a fight, wasn't it?
Sure was.
All right, here we go. Follow me in the key of C. Got a little something we'd like to say to Miss Flo, country style. 27, 43, 55. Hup, hup, hup. Rowdy redhead heading for the big time. Looking like a Texas sequin star. Making eyes at every tight jean cowboy. Sassing good old boys behind the bar. Whoa, yellow rose. Flashing neon every trucker knows. The door is always open and the beer's always cold. It flows, yellow rose. Pouring booze or flirting with a stranger. Ain't no problem she don't understand.
I've been there.
Nice and easy, she's my kind of woman. She knows how to treat a working man. Flows, yellow rose, flashing neon, every trucker knows. The door is always open and the view's always Now, the first time I ever fell into the yellow rose, I saw that lady with a flaming red hair. Woo! Hot cargo, the truckers call her. She had a walk, mercy. It would spin your spurs. But on this particular night, Flo had a little problem. Seems there's a bunch of cowboys and a bunch of oil men just a-spoiling for a fight. The air was blue with ugly talk. Flo did her best to keep the lid on, but boys will be boys. Before we knew it, we had a hell of a fight. She started swinging her mop around and she said, now, if you people can't act decent, you know what you can do. What? Kiss my grits. Drag my weary body to her table. With a smile, she orders up a round. You forgive me? Yes, she's ready, willing, and she's able.
For what?
To help you when your troubles get you down. Flo.